So hello guys, Google just dropped another banger, and this time Gemini 2.5 flash image. So it's none other than Nano Banana, which was first introduced to Marina. So yeah, you can see the model is available right now in Gemini API, Google AI Studio, and Vertex AI, and the pricing is about $30 per million output tokens, which cost around 0.3039 per image, which is like okay. So this model is very good in character consistency. I'll be just trying out few prompts, and you will see the responses is very good. So I think this is a game changer for making AI films and like marketing and like a lot bunch of other use cases. So now I will go and try this out with you guys, and I have around 10 of these prompts and 10 of this experiment which I will be going through. And what you can do is you can use this model inside Gemini, this Gemini like UI from here. If you choose where is it, yeah, if you choose image model, and it will go to Nano Banana, all the API calls. And also you can go to AI Studio, and then you have to select Gemini 2.5 flash image gen, and I guess it is selected. Yeah, it is selected. And if you type any prompt related to image, it will show up. But what I will do is, all these have rate limits, but for now you can also access this using Marina. So after going to Marina, just to choose direct chat, and choose this Gemini 2.5 flash model, which is also called Nano Banana, and you will see this interface. And for now it's totally free and also unlimited, so I guess like they will remove this. But let's test our all these 10 experiments into here. So let's go with our first one. So how is it? So the first one is about adding multiple people into a single image. So what I have done is, I have this image. Let me show you really quick. So I have this image of Sam Altman, Elon Musk, and Mark Zuckerberg. So we have this prompt, that is a cinematic shot of these three people standing having discussion in the office boardroom, and in the board it is written AGI is coming very soon. Okay, cool. So let's take this up and try this out here with the image that I've just shown you. So yeah, let's try this out. So guys, this is the image it has come up with. So let's see. Okay, AGI is coming very soon. This is, you can see Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and Sam Altman all here discussing. Okay, nice, cool. So the response time was around 10 seconds, and it's really quick, so I like it. And also you can see how much consistent it is with the images I've shared before this one. So yeah, I very much like this response. So let's go to our next one. So it is about a product, and okay, it is about advertisements. So let's see, let's go to a new chat. So I have this image of mine. Where is it? Yeah, I have this image of mine. I know it's looking very bad, but yeah, it's good for this use case. So make this boy hold the monster drink with his one hand up close to the camera. Okay, so I have also an image of the drink. Yeah, here is it. So let's try this out. Let's paste the prompt, and let's add the images. So here is it, and this is the one. So let's go. So this also took around 10 seconds, and I'm not satisfied of this image response. You can see my hand got cut from here. And let's try to tell this, please remove. This came up with this. I don't know how it relates to the previous image, but I don't know. So it's like this. For this prompt I expected much better. So let's go to our next prompt. So now we have this fashion try on. So I have this image of mine that I just shown you, like this one only. So I have also one image of jacket. Where is it? Yeah, this jacket. So I will prompt it to like make this boy wear this cool stylish jacket standing against the gray background. Cool. Okay, so let's go to new chat and paste our prompt, and let's paste our images also. So this one and this one. Okay, cool. So let's go. So yeah, we got this response, and it totally looks good. So we have this jacket and this picture of mine, and together it has created a nice response. Like, yeah, it's totally looking good, and yeah, I appreciate this. So next up we have this prompt of college method. So what we will do is, we have this image. What we will do is, we will combine this up. We have the prompt, a model is posing wearing these following items: dark background, green alien keychain, all these things are here. So let's copy this, and let's go to our new chat and paste this up, and also have this image. So yeah, let's see. So yeah, we have this image. So the face looks different, but all the other things are looking good to me. And yeah, I can't see the glasses also, but it's totally fine. I much appreciate this response. So you got the ability to combine all these images, and there opens a lot of gates for marketing and all those stuff. So yeah, I really appreciate these responses. And let's go to our next prompt, which is around changing facial expressions. So again, I will be using my image. Where is it? This one only. So we will be having create a 4 panel image. Each panel has different expression: neutral, happy, sad, and pouting. So let's see this in action. So we go to new chat and paste the prompt, and also upload our image. Yep. So let's go. So yeah, it has come up with this expression. So I guess it's neutral, happy. This is not sad, like, yeah, maybe. And this is pouting. Okay, awesome. So yeah, I am also loving the response time. It's sometimes even less than 10 seconds. So really, really great. So up next we have our where is it, changing the poses. So we have changed the facial expressions. Let's change the poses. Okay, so create a 4 panel image, same type of thing. So each panel have different pose: holding thumbs up, holding peace sign, jumping, and dancing. So let's make me dance. Okay, so let's go to our new chat and paste this up, and the same image goes here also. So let's go. So we got this. Okay, thumbs up, peace symbol, jumping, and dancing. Awesome. So you can see it has created the legs even. So yeah, really, really good. And kind of coincidence that I have the same pair of shoes. Nice. I don't know how. So yeah. Okay. So let's go to our next prompt. Okay. So this time we have edit or add text onto an image. So for this also we will be using same image of mine, that is this one. So let's see. This image is a magazine cover. Add text, that is AGI is coming soon, and text needs to be bold and sans serif font. Okay, cool. So let's copy the prompt, and let's go to new chat. And yeah, totally, like, you can for now Elon Marina has unlimited of this Gemini 2.5 like Nano Banana generations. So go check it out. Really, really amazing and fun stuff. So let's use our same image. Cool, let's go. Okay, so just now I told you to try out Marina for unlimited generations, and just now I got rate limited. So let's see. Let's open Marina, or let's use Google Gemini for this, and let's use this same prompt, and let's upload our image. Okay, this is it. So it has come up with this image, and I am not like satisfied with the response, but I hope if I improve the prompt it will get better. So yeah, let's move to our next prompt. Okay, so character replacement. So we have some fun stuff here. So yeah, let's see. This is an image of Dhruv Reddy launching AI Fista, if you don't know. And let's see. I will be removing this with my image, so let's try it out. And let's go to new chat, and let's paste in the prompt. Where is it? Replace the man on the first picture with the boy on the second picture. The laptop should be left. Okay, cool. So let's copy this and paste this, and also upload it, like my image and that image, this one, and yeah, this one. So I was not finding the Gemini UI good, so I again switched to Marina with my another browser. So yeah, it is working fine with my another browser with no rate limit, so you can also try that out. And yeah, you can see the response, like Dhruv Rathi is removed and I am here with his product. So cool, really cool. So yeah, let's move to our next one, and it's about YouTube thumbnails. So we have this time create a YouTube thumbnail using this person. This person is me actually. So right align them in the thumbnail, put text on left, include AI related these things, keeping the character in his original style and keeping background black. The text thumbnail should say Nano Banana is insane. So let's try this out. Cool. So yeah, and let's go to new chat and paste the prompt, and let's add our image. Yep, this is it. Let's go. So this is the thumbnail. I am not that much satisfied with this. I guess the prompt, if the prompt is good, that might change. But yeah, I'm not satisfied with this thumbnail. Really not. So yeah, let's move to our next one. Okay, so text to image. So you can also like apart from editing the images, adding pictures on top of another, what all we have done till now, we can also just do text to image. So if I say cyberpunk rabbit portrait Google's black high, and paste the prompt in our new chat, let's see what it comes up with. So yeah, you can just try out many things. I don't know why the responses currently are not that good, but when I was trying before, it was really good. So you can see the response of this cyber rabbit portrait. So it's looking really cool. Images were not the best, I know, but the character consistency is really good in this model. So like we can use it to generate like images of same personality having different posture and create AI films with this. And like we can give the images to Kling or any kind of model like Kling. So yeah, then we can create videos out of those images, and like it will be very easy now to create AI films, and also like any marketing sort of like marketing images. Like there are much more possibilities coming in with this new Nano Banana model. So yeah, your name is funny, but yeah. And I hope you like the video, and do try it out. Like go to Marina. It's currently for free. Like I got the rate limit, I know, but it's totally free for now. So yeah, you just check this out. And if you like the video, do give it a like, share, subscribe, and all those stuff. And let's see in our next video. Till then, peace.